Welcome to the University of Illinois in Champaign. It is now the week after Thanksgiving break. Students have returned to classes like they have ever since the university was founded. But this year, something is different. The students have returned to a new campus, one with all of its construction projects complete. They have been going on all semester. Why now? What is going on? To answer these questions, we interviewed an anonymous administrator involved in construction. Why was construction done?
Well, several buildings need a renovation.
Isn't it a little convenient that it was all finished while people were away on break?
Oh yeah, it's really convenient. Now they don't have to worry about the buildings uglying up the campus.
That may be good enough for some, but one man doesn't think so. Dr. Ron Nixon has come forth and says he has observed strange behavior in the oddest of places, the local squirrels. This local expert on squirrel physiology and behavior has observed odd and bizarre behavior from the squirrels since construction began.
The construction at the U of I has been causing some significant behavioral changes in squirrels. As we can see through these pictures and these videos, there are squirrels which are going into the dustbins. That is not normal for squirrels to do. If you see more closely, that squirrel eating nuts on the tree has foam on its mouth. That is also not normal. And the way that the squirrel is walking around is also different from how it's supposed to be walking. I know this because I've been observing these squirrels for months and months.
This is all certainly strange, but what is the cause of all this? What does it have to do with the recent construction? And most importantly, what is the university trying to hide? The front entrance to the noise lab was sealed for several weeks and the lawn removed. Soon after completion, squirrels scurried all across the new side in search of something. But what? Dr. Nixon thinks that chemical experiments have affected the squirrels' brain function and causing them to search for nuts more diligently. He believes that the university is hoping to eventually affect students in a similar way over time, resulting in increased productivity and better work ethic, resulting in higher prestige for the university.
Look, everybody knows the university has been having troubles recently, but nobody knows what this chemical could possibly do to us. And if the university has been hiding it from us, can we really trust them? Why won't they talk? They haven't given any response to these accusations.
But is Dr. Nixon right? What are his qualifications? He claims that he's observed squirrels for what totals to several thousand hours. Although he seeks recognition from the international squirrel watching community, they have continuously turned him down. Nixon says it's because several of his ideas about squirrels are so radical that they would alter squirrel science. The establishment is afraid, so they have tried to keep him quiet. The fact of the matter is that winter is fast approaching until squirrels are searching for nuts more diligently to stock up for the winter. They do this every year. As far as construction goes, Dr. Nixon has failed to notice that several buildings were badly in need of renovation. Students can rest easy and not be concerned that the university is trying to poison them.
This is ridiculous. We have received various reports from Mr. Nixon over the years, and none of the other experts have verified that any of the observed behaviors are abnormal in squirrels. If in fact chemical experiments were conducted, how come no other animals were affected, like the birds? And how would we have administered it to all the squirrels without affecting any humans or without being detected? The fact of the matter is that Mr. Nixon has done no past research, and the university has made it a policy to disregard Mr. Nixon and any further claims. We also urge students to do the same.